Hello guys. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to speed up your personal computer. Windows-based personal computers become slow because of the poor garbage collection mechanism in them. You can speed up your computer by cleaning the temporary files in the C drive. The temporary files are just created for the temporary purpose of memory management. Later they are not at all required. Most of these temporary files get accumulated in the C drive and your computer becomes slow. We can safely clean up all these files. No need to download any software, just use the Windows utilities. First of all, check the C drive. Go to My Computer or this PC icon in the desktop to open the storage partitions. And check the used and unused spaces of the C drive or the system drive. If the C drive is full, then it will show in red color. Definitely it requires cleaning. There will be a lot of temp files. We have to find them and delete all of the temp files. Step 1. Go to the Windows button in the left bottom corner of the taskbar. Step 2. Click right button to open the secret menu. Step 3. Click on the Run. Step 4. Type temp and press OK. Temporary folder of Windows will open. Select all the files and delete them. These are the files created while running large applications and data files. We no longer need these files. Step 5. Again open the Run. This time type %temp% and click OK. Select all the files and delete them. Step 6. Again open the Run. This time type prefetch and click OK. The system will ask you the permission, click Continues. Select all the files from prefetch and delete them. There may be a few files unable to delete, leave them. Step 7, next, please make sure that your recycle bin is empty. Delete all the files in the recycle bin. Now your system drive will have breathing space and computer will run fast. Still, if C drive is in red color, you have to move some files in the desktop or My Documents or downloads to other drives or external disks. Thank you for watching. Hope this information helped you. Do it in a regular basis and keep your PC run faster.